After applying a decent amount of shock, as in the first part of this video, and putting enough penetrant in and applying more shock, it is then necessary to find something to gain purchase on said bolt, and then gently trying to rotate it. If you go too heavy-handed, it will obviously just break flush, and then there will be a need for centralizing, drilling out, possibly thread repair, in order to salvage the cylinder head coolant flange location. But with this method, taking your time and doing the hard work, it can be successful and save a lot of messing about, even though it appears to be a lot of messing about.